Hello children, I Reena Singh. Welcome back to the online classes. Children, today we are going to start chapter 5. The name of chapter 5 is Operating a Computer. So, children, let's start part 1, lesson 5, Operating a Computer. Children, so let's start chapter 5, Operating a Computer. In this chapter, we will learn steps to start a computer, starting a program, resizing and moving a window, and how to shut down a computer. Children, in the previous chapter, we have learned about the parts and functions of a computer. Now let's learn how to work on a computer. Children, in this chapter, we will learn how to start a computer and how to shut down a computer. And you are given steps to start a computer. So, first you learn how to start a computer. There are given 4 steps to start a computer. So, first step is switch on the main power supply button. This is main power supply button. Now, second step is switch on the UPS button. UPS means uninterrupted power supply. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. Now third step is switch on the power supply button of the CPU. And fourth step is switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. Now next we will find a welcome screen of a Windows. Children, you will enjoy using Windows as it is very easy to use. Windows is the most popular computer program. The first display screen that appears on the starting a computer is known as the desktop. See, this is the desktop. This is the first display screen after starting a computer. Now, next is the desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. Children, you can see small pictures on the desktop. These pictures are called icons. Now, the thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. See, this is taskbar. It is present at the bottom of the desktop. Now, when you peep through your bedroom window, you can see different views. Yes, if you are seeing from your bedroom windows, you can see many things. In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows like Paint, movies, music and games. So, learn starting a program. How to start a program? To open the Word program, follow the steps given below. Children, how to open MS Word? Where we have type. Click on Start button. First you click on Start button here. You can see here, this is Start button. After Start button, you click on All Programs, MS Office. After Microsoft Word 2010, the Microsoft Word window will open. Now, you can see MS Word window. Title bar. The topmost blue bar of the MS Word window is known as the title bar. Children, at the top you can see a bar. This bar name is title bar. Here program name will appear. And right side you can see 3 buttons. These buttons are minimize, maximize and close buttons. Now resizing a window. You can change the size of a window. Look at the control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. See? Right corner you can see 3 control buttons. Close button, middle button is maximize and this button is minimize. Click on the middle button, means restore down button. The word window will become smaller in size. After, again click on the middle maximize button to get back to its normal size. Now next topic is moving a window. Children, you know how to move a window? Listen, click on the middle button, restore down. The window will become smaller in size. First you have to change the size of window. Then click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. This is title bar. First you have click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. Then drag the MS Word window to the right side. After clicking and holding, you have to drag right side. Now move the pointer over the desktop area and click once. The title bar of the MS Word window turns grey. This means that it is not active, but you can read the items in the MS Word window. Now click on the working area of MS Word window. The title bar turns blue. It means the MS Word window is active. Children, if title bar is grey in color, then you have to understand this is not active. If title bar is in blue color, you understand this is active. Now last topic is how to shut down a computer. After your work is finished, you should always shut down the computer. Now given some steps to shut down a computer. First step is click on the start button. Then click on the shutdown options. Third step is now wait for some time till the computer turns off completely. Then switch off the monitor button. And last, switch off the UPS and the main power supply button. Children, here given computer care tips. Switching off the main power supply button directly without shutting down the CPU can harm the computer. So you have to shut down in order. Otherwise, it may damaged. Now, this chapter is over. Now let's start book exercise. So, question number first is fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. Here given hints. Now one is to start a computer we need to first switch on the power supply button. POWER, power. 2. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. 3. To turn off the computer, click on the start button, then shut down option. 4th, Windows is the most popular computer program. Now 5th is desktop is the first display screen when we switch on a computer. Now question number B, write true or false. 1. The first screen of Windows is called the desktop. True. Second, icons are the background display of the desktop. No. False. It is false. Third, title bar is located at the top of the desktop. True. Fourth is, the first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. No, false, it is wrong. First step is main power supply button. So it is false. You write here F. Now question number C. Match the following. We are given two column, A column and B column. Icons match to small pictures on desktop. Desktop is matched to the first display screen. Windows is matched to program. Minimize control button and title bar the topmost blue bar of an application. Now next question D. Tick the right answer. 1. Dash makes a computer work when electricity goes off. We are given three options: UPS, CPU, both A and B. Correct answer is UPS. So tick the UPS. Question 2. Dash button on the title bar makes the word window smaller in size. Correct answer is restore down button. Question number 3. To open the Word program, click on the Start All program, then MS Office. So take the MS Office. Now last question, fourth is, when a window is active, the title bar turns in which color? Blue color. So take the blue color. So book exercise also over. Thank you everyone.